Everyone, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make the wall shelf similar with this reference, based on this reference. First of all, we have to prepare about the wall, about the existing wall and the floor with a basic shape with using rotated rectangle or rectangle. And then for the next step, we have to make the rotated rectangle to make the shelf itself. We can start from here, click, and then we have to place on this position. Then we have to drag to the bottom until 50 millimeter of the thickness, and then we have to push it to the front of the from the plane. We have to push it to the front around 500. Then we have to triple click, right click, and make group, and then we have to move and press control and place on this position. Okay, so then we can start making this every single console or every single support. Okay, then we can using the rectangle start from here. Okay, uh, approximately just like this, and then we have to push it to the front, and then we can make the line start from here until we can make this one, and then we have to push it until the limit. Triple click, right click, and make group, and we can right click and make component, create, and then we have to press B on our keyboard, and then we can select a metal, and then we can select the steel brush stainless, and we can press M on the keyboard and press Control and click this object and place on this position, and click on this position and type 5 slash. Okay, and it will be automatically uh, arranged horizontally from our distance that we have make a decision about it. Then we have to make group all, and then we have to move and duplicate until this position. Okay, it's done, and so you can add some items on the top on of this shelf. You can make some items with using the another color maybe to make the another vibes about it. Okay, so you can using this color, make group, make group, and then you can move and duplicate it to the another position. Okay, this one. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.